بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Now, similar way, you can try one more example just with a random range. Let's say maybe you want to allocate some different requirements. Let's say this topology, like here. I'll just use this topology here, this one, and we'll try to assign some random addresses here. So quickly, we'll try to do this one as an exercise. So let's say this is the IP addressing. So we got a requirement of 28 hosts. So 28 means to the power of 5, 32 will be the possible size, right? So which means host bits will be 5. So from 32, if I subtract 5, so we get /27 will be the first one. So I can use /27 here, /27 here, right? And then the next requirement is 14. So 14 means to the power of 4 I can use. 16 is a possible size. Of course, -2 equal to 14. So from 32, if I subtract 4, it's going to be /28. So I'll be using /28 here. So range will decide later. And likewise, the 7 is my requirement. So 7 means, again, you cannot go with 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. 8 minus 2 is 6 again. So we'll be going with the same here, /28 here, because we'll be going with 16 size here also. Now, if I'm using any class, let's say if I'm using 192 dot or any other class, let's say 200.1.1. subnet, the default subnet, which is a block of 256 addresses. So I'm going to allocate 0 to 31 here, right? And 32 to 63 here, group of 32 addresses allocated. And then from 64 we have addresses. So I'll use 64 to plus 16. So 64 plus 16 means it's going to be 80. So 64 to 79 here, and 80 to 95 here, group of 16 addresses. So which means up to 95 we have given, right? So we got 4 subnets. And from 96, so again here 2 host requirements. So I'll go with a possible size is to the power of 2. 4 is a possible size. So from 32, if you subtract 2, then it's going to be /30. So we'll be using /30 here. So what is the next available address range? So I'll be going with 96. So 96, 96, 97, 98, 99. So up to 99. So group of 4 addresses will be allocated here.